Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is February 26th and this is Henry. We're going to be looking at the chart of E-mini futures S&P 500 here, ES 60 minutes time frame. It's been sideways guys so far, right? It's been sideways, and therefore because it is sideways, more or less we need a little bit more confirmation before we can figure out the next direction, right? Even though we are favoring the upside for now, but again, in reality, it's been sideways. If we zoom out to the higher time frame, the daily, for example, we've been stuck in this very small range for a while now, for a couple of weeks, right? In fact, since last year, we've been stuck in this range. Even though we do make a marginal high here and there, but it is more or less sideways. If you look at the momentum, it's basically without any momentum. You can see the divergence right here. So that does not mean we cannot make a new high. We still can make a new high, but just to let you know, we are making new high in a weak momentum, and also it's starting to get extremely sideways here. And if you kind of look at it from the parabolic perspective, it looks like it's kind of getting, the rate of the rally is getting less and less here, right? It's getting less and less, and probably could potentially turn lower, maybe. But we shall see whether it can overcome this what looks like rounding top here, right? It looks like a rounding top, or whether it can actually overcome and break higher this pattern right here. So obviously, since April low, we've been rallying and we have not seen any signs of weakness so far. And the last pullback from here also doesn't look impulsive to me. It looks kind of corrective. So all in all, I think we cannot completely rule out the possibility we still can make a new high, marginal high of some sort, and we could still continue to extend on the upside within the same cycle from April low. So we cannot rule that out unless we can get more evidence to suggest otherwise. But otherwise, it is really, like I said, very sideways. But since we are in fact still making new high, still no signs of topping out so far, I don't think it's a good idea to try to pick up the top. As always, we are going with the direction of the trend until proven otherwise, right? So for now, we are calling for more upside as long as we can stay above 69 67.91 here, right? We're looking for further upside. In terms of what could potentially be the next target on the upside, we can take a look here. For example, we can just simply measure 100% extension like this, 100% extension from here. So you can just look for 100% target 70.42, 71.95 as the next potential target here. So I think at this stage it is lit in the game, guys. So I'm not talking about a massive bullish move here, but it could still make a new high, a new marginal high, but it's going to be laborious, like what you saw here in the last couple of months. I think more or less, most likely it's going to follow this pattern here. And before, I mean, potentially it can start to finish the cycle from April at some point and then see a bigger pullback. Okay, so that's basically in the update. So basically, I would say it is sideways, and it's not really a good time to trade. To be honest, you don't want to pick the top here for sure, since there is no, no clear no clear topping pattern, no clear stop loss. Most of the time you're fighting against the trend. You're gonna get stopped out most of the time and gonna lose. But at the same time, chasing the upside also is not really such a good proposition with the rate of the rally starting to get less and less here. Okay, so for now though, I think we still have a chance to make a new high, still making marginal high of some kind. So as long as we stay above 67.91. So if you want to get updated with the ES, because this changes quite often, every single day, right? So you can check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.